Hi, Dawn Cameron Dick here, and I'm here today to talk to you about needles and threads. It is going to be a lot more interesting than watching paint dry, I assure you. And if you pay a little bit of attention and use some of the tips I give you, I can guarantee that your quilting experience will improve. The first thing you need to look at is what size needle you're going to use. Now, the size of the needle that you use will be chosen based on the thread that you use. 3 bits of information when you're thinking about threads. Who made it? What fiber content is it? And what size is it? I'll use a cream for my medium to light colored quilts, and I'll use a soft gray for my medium to dark quilts. I buy them by the box. I'll buy 4 or 5 spools at a time because I can certainly tell you the quilts that I've made in the last 15 years, it's the same thread in every one of them. I know it works well, I know I have a good supply of it, and it's one less thing I have to worry about.